there are certain times where zero DTE to me just makes the most risk sense. People look at them as like, oh, people are just slinging zero DTEs. No, I like them a lot of times over a futures. If I'm trading an option on future and I think that the market's going to be trending in that direction, I bought that trade. And that's so important what you said. It's so huge for me mentally because I'm healing. I've let that trade go. If I think the S&P or Russell is going to trend up that day, I will buy an option and I will put my risk on, and my position size is relative to what my future size would be because the options on the futures are going to move the same tick value. Now, they're not going to move as much as the futures, but I have a great risk versus reward by using a zero DTE option on future. I think it's a directional trade, and I can day trade that because, like you said, liquidity and all that stuff. But if the market were just to snap against me, and let's just say we're to go in an S&P trade, I would normally have a 5-handle stop in it, and it were to rip 10 handles lower. Well, I don't get stopped out, right? And the difference is if it were to come back, which it seems to do a lot to the upside, I'm still in that trade because I don't need to have a stop. I bought that trade. People don't think that way. So many people try to be so leveraged, Jason, in such a short little box that they don't look at when a scenario for options makes more sense to them. I wish more day traders thought this way because they'd last a lot longer. They're just too leveraged. They're using leverage too much and in the wrong spots most of the time too. I've been there myself versus understanding these great products that these options markets are giving you. And you, like I said, there's micros and different sizes. And when they really make sense to use them for your trade, for you to be a better executor of your trades.